High School, you will not find my name in any honour board, any sporting hero board, or the only board you would probably find me if there was one there would be on the disciplinary board. Nevertheless, when I look at my contemporaries who were stellar when I was at school, they are now somewhere kanguri young. I'm not saying that as a kind of put down, but the fact of the life is where you are now, and when you leave this school, some of you will be leaving with arms full of prizes because you are bright, you do application. Some of you won't necessarily get academic prizes or sports prizes. But let me tell you a parable, and it's the fable of Aesop, which I think more than anything manifests my approach to life. And it's about the hare and the tortoise. The hare challenged the tortoise to a race, saying, all I have to do is hop along and I'll leave the tortoise behind. The tortoise agreed. They went to the start line and the rabbit bolted out and was already 100 yards down the track before the tortoise got its first leg off the ground and go, blod, blod, blod. So the rabbit was so confident in its ability to win the race that it sat under the tree and yawned and went to sleep. And meanwhile, blod, 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 the tortoise passed it. And the tortoise got to the finish line first. The moral of the story is, be clear about what it is you want and put your head down and your backside up and just keep going. Do not ever stop. Don't stop because you have been set back. Don't stop because you have been disappointed. And don't stop because there are obstacles in your road. And that is the philosophy that deeply lies within me personally, and I think is the key to much of my success, is that I never give up. And my family will tell you, long when they've gone to sleep, I'll be up thinking about how do I take the next step. And I think that's something in life that we can all have. Even those of you who today will not go home with a prize, just think of Aesop's fable of the hare and the tortoise. And when you become the Prime Minister of New Zealand, those of you who don't get prizes today, one of you will be the Prime Minister of New Zealand, remember, saying, there's that old fellow I heard once at my prize meeting. Thought something about Aesop's fable. Now I'm the Prime Minister. So finally, what I want to say to you is this. The challenges that lie ahead of you, the graduating class, are many. And as I said, there will be great joys in your life, and there will be disappointments, and there will be sadnesses. And recently, my brother asked all his brothers and sisters, and there were 18 of us some years back, what advice would we give to our kids and mokpunas in one line? What would be the advice we would leave to our kids and our mokpunas? And most of them said, Paya te etu kahirangi, all those highfalutin stuff, you know, we stand on the shoulders of giants and all that kind of stuff. And I put down in my one line, get up in the morning and make your bed. And all of my brothers and sisters at our next meeting said, why did you put, you're the most educated of us, why did you put down, get up in the morning and make your bed? I said, by getting up in the morning, you've taken the first step of a 1,000-kilometre journey. By making your bed, you have taken a positive action for which you control. Once you go out that door, there are many things that are not in your control. But getting up in the morning and making your bed is a fundamental first concrete step to the achievement of the life ahead of you. Nō reira, kātitawa mātu I nainei, tēnei te ni kia koutou mā tauira, ko ana te ngākau, ko puta te koutou, I te au huri huri, kia kaha rā, kia kaha, kia maia, kia uru, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou tātou.
I'm also a trustee on the Board of Trustees here at Wira. Firstly, I had this sort of written up because it's quite tempting to speak to someone with so much mana and prestige. So, kia ora e tēnā koe. I'm very honoured to have the pleasure in thanking our distinguished guests and speaker, Sir Wira Gardiner. So Wira, your kōrero today provides our ladies of Hato Hōhepa and whānau with insightful and meaningful thoughts on the challenges of life, while moving forward and breaking down barriers to achieve both personal and professional success. Your personal journey that you have shared with us today, and by the way, you have a sense of humour, please carry your girls, reminds us all of the importance of whānau and being grateful for those who support us along our way, to think about what influences and motivates us to move towards positive outcomes and to make the very best choices for all to succeed. You have truly influenced us all today in your life passion for making the playing field even for all Māori to succeed in Te Ao Pākehā. So we all wish you every success in your future endeavours. Thank you, God bless you, that's the Catholic side, and may you and your whānau have a very safe, very Christmas.